So we're going to expand the triple bracket here. The first thing I'm going to do is expand the first two brackets, so it's going to be a double grid. X plus 3 times x minus 2. So x times x is x squared, x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Positive 3 times x is positive 3x, and positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So that means that the answer to this expanded is x squared, and then I've got positive 3x take away 2x, so that's plus x minus 6. So this is the same as this, and then I need to times by the x plus 1. So now I'm going to have another double grid, but the one side's going to be longer than the other. So I'm going to have x plus 1 times x squared plus x minus 6. So x times x squared is x cubed. Positive x times x is positive x squared. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Positive 1 times x squared is positive 1x squared, or just x squared. Positive 1 times positive x is positive x. And positive 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. So if I write that out in a line, I've got x cubed. And I've got plus x squared, positive x squared, plus another x squared. So that's plus 2x squared altogether. I've got positive x minus 6x, which is going to be minus 5x. And then I've just got that minus 6. And that's the triple brackets expanded.